Hello friends, welcome to Techno Kamakhya. Please watch till end this upcoming smartphone infinix Note 50X 5G official launch unboxing, first impressions and review. The Infinix Note 50X 5G has officially launched, bringing powerful performance, a premium design, and 5G connectivity at an affordable price. In this video, we will cover the unboxing, first impressions, detailed specifications, price in India, and whether this smartphone is worth buying. Package unboxing: the Infinix Note 50X 5G. Inside the box, you get white heavy checkmark Infinix Note 50X 5G smartphone. White heavy checkmark 33W fast charger. White heavy checkmark USB Type-C cable. White heavy checkmark SIM ejector tool. White heavy checkmark protective case. White heavy checkmark user manual and warranty card. The packaging looks premium and Infinix provides all essential accessories, making it a great deal. Eyes: first impressions and design. Sparkles: sleek and premium design with a glass back. Sparkles available in blue, black, and gold color variants. Sparkles: ultra slim body with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Sparkles IP53 rated for dust and splash resistance. The Infinix Note 50X 5G feels comfortable in hand and has a stylish modern design that competes with premium smartphones. Mobile phone display. Desktop computer 6.78-inch FHD plus AMOLED display. High voltage 120 Hz refresh rate, super smooth scrolling and gaming. Glowing star peak brightness of 1300 nits, bright even under sunlight. Counterclockwise arrows button in-display fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking. The AMOLED display with slim bezels provides an immersive viewing experience, perfect for watching videos and gaming. High voltage performance and software. Rocket processor, MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G. Fire RAM and storage, 8 GB per 12 GB RAM, 128 GB per 256 GB storage. Video game gaming performance, handles PUBG, COD Mobile and BGMI smoothly. New button OS, XOS 14 based on Android 14. The Dimensity 810 5G processor delivers lag-free performance, making it great for gaming, multitasking, and daily use. Camera with flash camera setup. Camera dual rear cameras. Heavy checkmark 64 MP OIS primary camera, captures sharp and clear photos. Heavy checkmark 2 MP depth sensor, helps with portrait shots. Selfie 16 MP front camera for high-quality selfies and video calls. Film projector video recording. Heavy checkmark 4K video recording, rear. Heavy checkmark 1080p video recording, front. AI features, night mode, and HDR enhance image quality, making the Infinix Note 50X 5G great for mobile photography. Battery and charging. Battery 5000 mAh battery, lasts 1.5 days on normal usage. High voltage 33W fast charging, charges 50% in just 30 minutes. Counterclockwise arrows button reverse charging, can charge other devices. The long-lasting battery ensures a full-day usage experience, even with heavy gaming and streaming. Antenna bars connectivity and features. Satellite antenna 5G connectivity, super-fast internet speeds. Speaker high-volume stereo speakers, clear and loud audio. Credit card dual SIM plus microSD slot, expandable storage up to 1 TB. Antenna bars Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, faster connectivity. With 5G support and stereo speakers, this phone is perfect for entertainment, work, and gaming. Money bag Infinix Note 50X 5G price in India. Pushpin 8 GB plus 128 GB, 16,999 Indian rupees. Pushpin 12 GB plus 256 GB, 19,999 Indian rupees. Calendar availability, Flipkart and Amazon. Fire best budget 5G smartphone in 2024? Let's find out. White heavy checkmark final verdict, should you buy the Infinix Note 50X 5G? Heavy checkmark pros. Heavy checkmark 120Hz AMOLED display, smooth and immersive visuals. Heavy checkmark Dimensity 810 5G, fast and lag-free performance. Heavy checkmark 64MP OIS camera, captures great photos. Heavy checkmark 5000 mAh battery plus 33W fast charging. Heavy checkmark 5G connectivity at an affordable price. Crossmark cons. Crossmark no ultra-wide camera. Crossmark no wireless charging. White medium star overall rating, 4.5/5 white medium star white medium star white medium star white medium star white medium star. The Infinix Note 50X 5G is a great budget 5G phone, offering powerful performance, a premium design, and an AMOLED display at an affordable price. If you're looking for a feature-packed 5G smartphone, this is one of the best choices under 20,000 Indian rupees. Loudspeaker, what do you think about the Infinix Note 50X 5G? Let us know in the comments below. Speech balloon fire. Rocket, like, share and subscribe for more tech reviews. Rocket.